I'm Dr. Shilpi Mohan. I'm a cardiologist by profession, and I'm owner and founder of Ashwata Cardiac Care, which is my very own brainchild. It is placed in Secunderabad. I'd been practicing cardiology for a period of more than 15 years, and I'm a holistic healer. Initially, I was into intervention cardiology, but by heart, I was a preventive cardiologist. So I shifted my focus from illness to wellness and started practicing preventive cardiology. During COVID times, because of my husband's posting, I shifted to Kyrgyzstan. There, I developed my interest into tarot card reading, as has been brought out by the previous speaker, that astrology is something which people don't believe in, but it is something which can guide a lot of people. And I am a strong believer of astrology. Though being in science for more than 2 decades, I believe that astrology is something which can bring a change in people's life if used in a positive way. Tarot card reading is one of that science, which is a part of astrology where the cards are used to kind of give the guidance to the people. Now you'll think, being in science, why I shifted my focus to astrology or something like tarot card reading, where people are more skeptical about, especially those who believe in science. Because the thing is, I believe that every person is an individual, is a total individual. So any problem is not just physical, it is mental, it is psychological as well. So if I'm being a doctor, when I was just treating people by giving them medicines, I was just touching the tip of the iceberg. Patients used to come to me, I used to give them medicine, give them the treatment and send them away. Least realizing that there was many different layers inside, which they were not able to reveal to me. So when I started getting into the practice of tarot card reading and started doing those things, I realized that the people started opening up and getting me into those realms of their life which they were not able to reveal. And later on, I realized that the treatment became more holistic because I knew them whole and whole. I'll give you a running example. A CEO of one of the very big company, he contacted me for a pain in his hand, and he was thinking that it is kind of a cardiac problem. Later on, he searched me on the Google, and then he found out that I am into these things. He was not a believer of this. Then he asked me to do the reading. When I did the reading, I realized that there were so many things going on in his life which were actually causing all these problems, which otherwise I would have just given him aspirin and other medications and send him off. But later on, when I started getting into those things, started giving him healing by doing alternative healing practices, he became much better a person, and now I am proudly say that I am his wellness coach. So I strongly believe that any person is has to be treated in totality. It is not to be treated just by medicine. There are many ways by which we can treat them. The logo of my the center which I am running is Ashwata Cardiac Care, which is the tree of life, and the logo is Anamayam Niramaya. May all be free from illness and suffering. So with this aim, I am moving ahead in life. I am very passionate about whatever I am doing, and I want to bring a change in people's life. And I don't just want to be successful, and I want to be significant also and bring a change in life. So like what he said, I also want to be a billionaire by touching billion lives and bringing a change in their lives. Jai Hind.